To fix the error code 214021 on a Canon printer, it's essential to understand what this code means. The error code indicates a problem with the scanner, occurring when there's an issue with the scanning mechanism or its connection to the printer. Several factors can cause this error, including poor network connectivity, outdated or corrupt print drivers, loose cable connections, and an improperly closed scanner cover. To resolve this issue, start by opening the scanner cover and closing it properly, ensuring it clicks into place. Next, navigate to the control panel on your computer. Select Devices and Printers, choose your printer, and click Stop Printing. A factory reset may also be necessary. Power off the printer, unplug it for approximately 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. While pressing the resume button, turn on the printer and hold the button for about 15 seconds until the attention light comes on. Release the resume button, and the ready light will blink in a cycle before stopping once the printer has been restored to its factory defaults. Additionally, updating or reinstalling the printer driver can help resolve the issue. Visit the official Canon website to download the latest driver for your printer model and install it. Other potential solutions include turning off the computer's firewall and replacing the printer cartridge. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the error code 214021 on your Canon printer.